I am back at this commercial property here, and you may remember there was a Trane XC1000 heat pump right here, and a newer Trane model right here. I don't remember what it was. I think it was an XB. But as you can see, they both got replaced. This one from August of 2019, it's a 2-ton. And this one's from November 2019, and it is a 4-ton. Brand spanking new. This one's still here. 2000, it's a 4-ton. These 3 Trane units are also still in their place. Now let's see if this one's frozen. It don't look like there's any frost. And just shut off. Brand new Trane heat pump. A lot of units around here have been getting replaced with Trane 2017. It is a shame. XC1000 died and got replaced. I guess out.